Hello everyone, myself Ami Mehta, and in operating system classical IPC problems, in which we have discussed here reader's writer problem. So first we understand what is reader's writer problem, and then we understand how we can solve this reader writer problem using semaphore. So for example, there is one common database and multiple readers are reading the same database. Now it is fine that simultaneously more than one readers are reading the common database. But if any single writer writing or updating in database, no any other writer or reader can read or write the data. So this is the reader-writer problem, that many competing processes are wishing to perform reading and writing operation in a database, but it is acceptable to have multiple processes reading to database at the same time. But if one process is updating, which means writing the database, no other processes may have access to the database, not even readers. So this is the condition that we have to maintain to solve this problem. That it's okay that multiple processes reading the database at the same time. But if any single process is updating or writing the database, no other processes may have access to the database. Okay? So now how we can solve this reader-writer problem? Okay, so we are solving this reader-writer problem using semaphore variable. So semaphore variable is using two operation, up and down operation. So while there is a down operation on any variable that we cannot access for the time until the up operation is not performed. Okay, so this is the concept of semaphore. Now we have declared typedef integer semaphore. Now we are taking two variables of semaphore mutex is equal to 1 and semaphore db is equal to 1. So mutex is the for the control access to RC, which means reader count. So whenever we want that when we are changing the value of RC, no any other processes can change the value of RC or update the value of RC, or nothing can do with variable RC. Then we are using this mutex variable. So this is why it is called control access to RC. The next variable is semaphore db, and it is also used for control access to the database. Now initially we are assigning the value 0 to the integer variable RC, which is reader count, which indicates number of processes reading or wanting to read. Initially it is 0, that no any process wants to read something. Okay, now the next is procedure for the reader. Now what will happen in the reader? So we will go in repeatedly loop, that's why we are using while true. Now if we want to access the reader count, what we are doing, we are performing down operation on the mutex. Here we also mentioned that this is used to control access to RC. So what we are doing down operation on mutex. So now we have access on the RC. So what we are doing, we are incrementing the reader count by 1. Now suppose, see the situation or see the scenario that this is the first reader. So the total count is first 0. Now this is the first reader. So 0 plus 1, which is equal to 0. Now if it is a first reader, then we are doing down operation on the database, because not any other readers or readers doing this operation, which is down operation on the database. Now what we are doing, we are using up operation on the mutex, which means now we do not want to change anything on the RC value, so we are using up on mutex. Now we are reading database because we want to access the we want to read the data from the database. After reading it, what we are doing, we are also performing down on mutex, because now we want to release the reader, means now the reader is complete his operation of reading database, so we are decrementing the value. So for doing any changes in the RC variable, what we are doing, we are performing down operation on the mutex. So RC is equal to RC minus 1, which means that now there is one reader is less. Now if it is the last reader, which means that one only single reader is there, so 1 minus 1 is, which is equal to 0. So if the value of RC will be 0, then what happened, that we are performing up operation on the DB, that now any other readers or writer can perform access on the database. And then after we are releasing exclusive access to RC, so for that we are using up on mutex. So when we are doing any operation on the RC variable, first we perform up operation on mutex. After completing it, we are performing down operation. First we are using down on the mutex, and then after completing we are using up on the mutex. Okay, and then after reader can do, or procedure can do non-critical region. Okay, so this is the reader part. Now what will happen with writer part? So in the writer portion also we using while loop for repeat forever, and first this think of data, which means this is non-critical region. Whenever this writer wants to access the database, it will perform down operation on the database. Then after it write the database, update the data, and after completing it, it perform up operation on the database. So this is the writer part. So in this solution, the first reader to get access to the database does a down on the semaphore DB. Subsequent readers merely increment a counter RC. As the reader leaves, they decrement the counter, and the last to leave does an up on the semaphore, allowing a blocked writer, if there is one, to get in. So this is the concept of reader-writer problem, and how we can solve reader-writer problem using semaphore variable. Basically, whenever we want to access something critical, we are performing the down operation on that variable. After completing this critical section, critical part, we are performing up on that particular database or any sharing variable. Okay, so this is all about reader writer's problem and its a solution. Thank you.